Hey guys, this video right here will be very important before we do the next video. Next video is us finishing our app for the parking app. In this video, we want to use our own API. So I'm not sure familiar if you did this before. So if we do console at developers.google.com, I'm signed under my West Liberty email address. And so if you see my other class, I teach the Advanced Java class. We actually developed the API to connect to YouTube and grab videos. So let's see here. So we need to create a project first. So if you do new project, and you want to give it a project name, this one I'll call it Google Maps Park App. I have my organization. If you have one, you could add something I'm using in my other college I teach at, their information. So I hit create. So that would be the first thing, is to create your own project. I think you're allowed 32 projects, and then you have to pay. And that way you can monitor your project. All right, so here's your API information. I won't go over this. There's a lot of stuff here. So the thing is, we want to have an API. So we want Google Maps. Oops, let's see here. Explore and enable APIs. Getting started. Go to the API library. We want maps. All right, Google. Sheesh. I forgot there's so many of them out here. Alrighty, which one do we want? Google Maps, Google Maps. 1 second here. Wow, there's a lot, I forgot. One from my other one I did before. So I'm thinking that we could do the JavaScript one. Get detailed information about 100 million places. That's awesome. So let's try this one, Maps for JavaScript API. Let's just see here, add a map to your website, providing imaginary located. All right, so click enable. Perfect. This should be fine here. Anyways, get your API. I don't care if you see my API. So they have select an API at the marketplace. Maps for SDK. I think we just did this. Yeah, because we don't care about street zone stuff. That's not what I want. As you can see here, there's a lot of other cool things that you can do with it. All right, so enable APIs. Yes, I enable that. But I want to grab my information. Sorry, they change this around so often that I always forget where my stuff's at. Credentials and create a credential. So we need to do this first. Do API key, and here's your API key right here. So you'll want to copy that information. Once you have your API key, then you'll want to put it in your code. So it'll be in your HTML code here. So class. Oh, geez. Let me find a class. Let me find it. Sorry. Actually, we could pull up information here. 1 second. This right here, this information here on line 8 in your index, you can wipe that out with this information. So you could keep the maps, Google APIs.com, maps API JS key equals. And then where I have AI, you'll want to take your information, AIZ or whatever you have, and paste it here toward the end. And then that at least gives you direct access to yours. So if I went to, which one? I don't know which one it is. I have a bunch of them here. You could look at the dashboard of every time that you ran something. When did you run it? Where did it come from? And so forth. So you can see how many requests you made. This is how Google makes money. When they find an app that's making a ton of requests, then what they'll do is then they'll start kicking back some charges. So you might get like They might pay $100 for 1,000 API calls or whatever. That's how they make a lot of money. One way. Anyways, that's it for this video. That'll get you started. You can apply that to the next video that we go through and walk through how to, we'll show you how to do the JS information in here. Get your app up and running. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Good luck.